guys, welcome back to another vlog. So guys, today we're going to be going outside. There's my mom, she looks so nice. So today we're going to be going outside, guys. We're going to be doing a bit of shopping as usual. So yeah. So guys, we're going to a place called Bath Road. Usually where we do all our shopping and everything. We're going to be getting some house stuff and clothes if we find any. But yeah, so after that we're going to be doing a bit of food shopping because we need food. Right, Mummy?
Yes.
Mum looks so nice as well. Look at her.
I am too busy driving.
And she's too busy driving. So yeah, guys, and the lighting is good as always. So yeah, we're going to be going there, getting some stuff, and that's everything. This is nothing, Ma. Okay guys, so we're nearly there. Ma, do you want to say anything? Mom is so scared right now. She's saying that, oh, we're taking the wrong route, but Nahil is saying, no, we're taking the right route, so yeah. This mine.
Huh? Yeah, I said hello.
Hi, I parked my car. Let's go.
Let's go. आज हम B&Q जाएंगे. ये देखें B&Q. Hi लिशबा.
Let's see, look at my outfit.
मैं दिखाती हूँ आपको. Wow, लिशबा, you look nice. मना है. अभी ना लगाओ मास्क.
Oh, we're going in anyway, so.
चलो. वो देखें.
Oh, show them your outfit, huh?
चलो.
You look very nice. Look. So, shoes, bag.
आजा.
चल पुत्र. आजा चलते. So we're in B&Q now and we're getting some stuff. What? So what we're getting? Right now? Yeah.
Browsing कर रहे हैं.
So guys, we're right now in the light section where we get all the lights. We're thinking of getting a new light, but we're not sure yet. So
मैं दिखाती हूँ.
what happened, sweetie?
नहीं ले मुन्ने को कर.
क्या मैं?
आजा मुन्ने. जरा मास्क नहीं सही.
So guys, we're in the light section and we're thinking of getting new lights, but we're not sure yet. Ma, what do you want to get? What are you looking for?
हम लाइटें देख रहे हैं. वॉलपेपर भी देख.
Security?
Doorbell.
Doorbell? Okay, we're thinking of getting some security system now. So we're gonna have a look through some security devices. We already have a Ring doorbell. Look at this. Look how nice Mum looks. Yeah, we already have a Ring doorbell, but Mum's thinking of upgrading her home security system. I think we've reached the aisle. We've reached the aisle. We're gonna see. Wait, so they've got a range of CCTV systems, a range of different alarms. Mom, are you thinking of getting an alarm or
Intercom.
some intercom system? Oh, traditional doorbells, but they have like a video interface as well. So, well, you've got Ring, you've got Nest.
Ring तो हमारे यहाँ already लगी है.
Yeah, I think they've gone. I think they've gone now. They're only doing alarms. So it's a smart hub alarm, and then you've got CCTVs that you're able to see from your phone. You've got Wi-Fi cameras. You've got different stuff.
हाँ ये नहीं.
So we are looking through wallpapers now. If there's anything that's interesting, then we will go for it. These are all the different designs. They look quite dull. I don't like any of them. They're so dull. Look, all of them are like, they have dull colors, dull tones. Nothing as vibrant.
Alicia.
Some of these curtains look alright. Hmm?
कौन सा winter में color?
I think darker colours for the winter, and the ones that have a thicker texture, just so it can protect us more from the cold. These are all the different curtains and their accessories. I decided to tie my hair up because I felt that I had to. So now guys, we are in the carpet section. Mom, what do you want to get? Like, I don't get it. What do you want?
आज हम कुछ तो देखेंगे ना. Weekend. हाँ. इसका क्या हुआ? हाँ. अच्छा है ये वाला दीदी ग्रे वाला भी अच्छा. अलीशा ये देखो.
Which one?
This one.
Yeah, guys.
इधर से दिखाओ ऐसे.
Wait, hang on. Wait, let Didi show us.
दीदी. दीदी ये. ऐसे नहीं दिखाते उधर आप.
Look here. It looks very furry.
Cozy है ये.
It's a rug.
ये this one. दो.
Which one?
This one.
Okay.
No.
Well, I don't like the color.
Color नहीं nice.
I like
Grey
grey.
one.
Yeah, the grey one looks. Grey one looks very soft as well, Mum. These are all the different shower units. So a little change would look good. And these are all the basin and the vanity units. Toilet units. And shower units. All the way to the bathtubs. And we're going.
ये देखिए पौधे पौधे. Hello. Alishba. Hello Mano. Alishba. Hello Mano. कोई है पौधे?
No. I think they've cleared everything out.
हाँ. ये थोड़ा सा वो. ये देख. वो गमले तो नहीं चाहिए. हाँ ये देख क्रिसमस ट्री. नाइस है. देख यहाँ से हसन सारी शॉपिंग करते हैं जो हसन काम करे. आज हम आए मना है. ये देखो कौन से ट्री आए हैं इनके पास.
They've got grapes, they've got raspberry, they've got red currant, they've got gooseberries, they've got blackberries, they've got... Yeah, that's it.
They've got so many. So many. देख तो दीदी कोई अच्छा सा ट्री हो जो हम गार्डन में लगा लें. नहीं फ्रूट ट्री. ये कौन सा है? मेरा ख्याल विंटर है इसलिए सारे ट्री खत्म हो गए. ये कौन सा दीदी? ये देख कितना अच्छा. हाँ हाँ कितना खूबसूरत है ना प्लेस में. है ना. क्यों दीदी आपको नाइस लगा? ये हसन का फेवरेट पार्ट है. हसन को जितनी दफ़ा दिन में 100 दफ़ा ले आओ 100 दफ़ा आएगी. कौन सा अच्छा तेरा ख्याल? किसका स्टार? इसका भी दे दे। चलो
Trust me.
हाँ no चलो और इसका
So guys, we're getting this hairdryer because obviously the other one broke. So we needed a new one really quickly.
तेरे पास है मेरे पास?
So yeah, we're getting Trust
Play at the till. नहीं तेरे पास है मेरे पास? हाँ
Guys, we're in Argos and we're looking for dryers because obviously my one broke. It broke completely. It was so bad, guys. So yeah, we're gonna get a new hairdryer. No? So guys, we're buying a new hairdryer and we're gonna go to the till and collect one. So we have finished browsing through Argos and we have bought the hairdryer and we're just making our way to another shop.
Such a long way away. Look at all these cars. Oh my days, I'm gonna fall. Oh, good. The car shoes कौन सा? Wow, मनाली के shoes अच्छे लगे हैं. Alisa would have loved these if she had it. चलो मेरा बेटे. नहीं. ये रख दे पुत्र इतना लगा. मनाली उधर बैठ के पहना पुत्र. Alisa ये अपनी चीजें खेलो कब तक का?
Yeah.
ये देख आज हम न्यू लुक में आए हैं. थोड़ी सी सेलें लगी थी तो मुनाहिल ने शूज़ लेने थे. उसका शूज़ लेके दिए हैं अलीशा को. थोड़े अलीशा की बर्थडे आ रही है ना. वाओ लुक नाइस मुनाहिल. लुक नाइस. You look nice. Wow.
They look cool.
Yeah.
Huh?
Very nice.
Looks nice.
You look nice. Hmm? This one.
Huh?
जब
Yeah, this one looks nice.
ये पता क्या हीथ्रो पे जब मैं काम करती हूँ वहाँ लेडीज. हाँ दीदी तेरी फेवरेट है.
Yeah.
हाँ.
Let me check if there's more.
No. Come on. Come on. This one is very nice. Easy. ड्राइविंग के लिए भी इजी.
No,
क्यों?
no.
ड्राइविंग
ड्राइविंग के लिए ये यूज करूंगी. जब उतरूंगी I'll wear this.
क्या गाड़ी में अभी शूज चेंज करेंगे?
I'll have to. Many ladies do it when they wear heels. They wear trainers when they're driving, but then they choose to wear heels.
अच्छा ठीक है. चलो मास्क उतार के बात करो थोड़ी सी.
Hi.
हाँ. अलिश्मा ने तो पहना ही नहीं है.
Wow, this is what I got.
हाँ अलिश्मा ने ये ली है. अलिश्मा जब भी आती है कुछ ना कुछ शॉपिंग करती ही रहती है. घर से कह के निकलेगी मॉम मैं कुछ नहीं लूँगी. यहाँ आते ही माइंड चेंज हो जाता है. तो
Alright,
चीज़ें
so,
ले.
no, I'll pay you back, don't worry.
Don't. चलो.
Okay.
चलो. अब मैं अपनी दिखाती तुम जाओ. नहीं पुत्र अभी ठहर.
I have a strong feeling she likes shoes right.
मास्क ने तो चेहरे ही खराब कर दिए पहन के.
Where's the other shoe like that?
चलो ले लो फिर जल्दी करो बच्चे भूखे हैं.
Next
Oh, yeah. Hey, Mom, मेरा size 5 है ना?
हाँ 5.
The size is 5.
Hmm.
The size is 4.
Hi
Mom,
Lishka.
did you show them the chain that we got?
Yeah.
Guys, we got, I don't know, I can't really show it to you properly.
लाओ मैं दिखाओ. ये देखो लिश्मा ने चेन ली है अपने लिए. मुझे कह रही थी मम्मा तुम भी ले लो. मैंने कहा नहीं मैंने नहीं लेने.
We got sister chain as well, ma.
मिनाहिल ने भी ली है. तो अब हम शॉपिंग करके बस घर जा रहे हैं.
No, we're gonna get something to eat.
हाँ मैकडोनल्ड. अब हम जा रहे हैं गाइस.
What?
ओके बाय. ये देखिए शाम हो रही है. सुजान को मुझे पता भूख लगी है और हसन को भी. फिर भी हम आ गए. नेक्स्ट जा रहे हैं. अब हम मैकडॉनल्ड जाएंगे। अलीशा
Hello, sweetie. Oh, look. Oh, take your mask off. It looks so good. Take it off. ये देखो। So we have arrived back home. It was a fairly short vlog, so apologies for everything. Our car had don't worry. Our car ran into some problems, so we couldn't record the rest of the vlog. But hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. Please do like, share, and subscribe. We will be showing you all the stuff that we bought shortly. So stay tuned. Got these trousers, and then I got myself boots as well. We also got some leggings for mom. And what else did we get? For Eliza, we got a black dress. She always wanted this. Let me show you. She always wanted this dress, so we got her this dress. And that's it, really. That's all we got. Alishba got her own little dress. We got some scrunchies as well. But yeah, oh yes, what? Mum also got a cheetah printed dress. It's quite nice for women that prefer comfortable over style. Sorry, comfort over style. So this is a very good piece. Dad's busy cleaning the fish tank. It's a lot of work.
Always.
A lot of work for Papa Jan.
Like a 5:30.
Since
Five-
5:30.
No. 5 hours and a half.
5 hours and a half it's been, and Dad's still cleaning because there was a lot of algae, a lot of dirt inside that needed to be cleaned, and Papa needs to make sure that the water is not contaminated. And Mum's back, and Mum's in her natural state. Mum's tired. Elise is there, and Fazan and Alishba are upstairs as usual. So yes, we're gonna end the vlog here. I hope you enjoyed today's vlog.
Bye-bye.
So please do once again like, share, and subscribe. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.